Hi guys, and welcome back to class. In our last class we discussed common editing mistakes to avoid. Well, in this lesson we're going to be diving a little deeper and different, and what we'll be talking about is your resources for further learning in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you would want to actually up your game, or if you want to make things better, one of the first things I would actually advise you to do is take up courses in the intermediate level and the advanced level that I also recorded. And if you surely did enjoy my sessions, of course we are going to be continuing that in other advanced level courses and intermediate courses. So one of the places you can actually also learn quick as well is to actually look for other creators and other tutors who are also great and learn one or two from them. This is actually YouTube, and ThoughtVid is one of them. So if you search ThoughtVid, it takes you right down here. So this is ThoughtVid's page, and what it basically does is teach all Adobe Suite tutorials, and he's very great at it. So he has some courses you can also learn one or two things from. Basically what you will also be learning is an extension of what I've taught you, or some of the very few areas I may not have covered in this lesson. So you can always use this to scale up in or upskill in Adobe Premiere Pro and video editing. So another thing I would also advise is to actually be very, very active on Instagram, because it helps your vision, how you see videos, how you paste videos, and how you infuse your style into video editing. And it's really, really great for actually trying to come up with a style or trying to look for inspiration towards a particular project. So Instagram is that place you want to be, depending whether you want to become a content creator or whatever it may be, or you just want to become a video editor. So Instagram has lots of video editors, and they sort of have a community kind of. By following others, you can also gain one or two things from there. Sometimes when you're confused on some stuffs in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can always come here and actually use the search bar. You can say how to fix blank Premiere Pro, blank screen in Premiere Pro. So let's say that's a problem, that we have blank screen on Premiere. It actually brings it up, and you see a couple of creators who had similar issues, and you can always check through their videos and see how to fix your problems. Another thing is to also use Reddit. Reddit has quite a number of communities and groups, and it's always great for asking questions, because a lot of people have gone through the same problem, and you can actually ask questions and make a whole lot of sense from Reddit. And if you are planning to actually go very, very deep, Reddit is one place to actually check out people's problem and also even help them. Another place, which is one of the best places you can learn as well, is the Adobe Learning site. So the Adobe Learning site actually offers you some resources to actually learn, so that you can be better at what you do. So in the world of video editing, they have different resources, different project files too as well, that you can always pick up from and actually learn and get more acquainted with Adobe Premiere Pro. So when you come down right into into Adobe's website, you can always search through the applications, search through Adobe Premiere Pro. When you buy their plans, they also come with free courses that you can always watch out for while you are actually working in Adobe Premiere Pro. So another place you can also learn as well is Skillshare, but Skillshare is quite priced. They also have a lovely community, and you can always go there and make up and search for things that may interest you, and when you check them out, you can see how great these communities and these videos may be, and they actually do take you to the next level when you are learning. So one of the reasons you should join a community is actually to share your problems, to share feedbacks, and share your videos. It is important you get feedbacks on the videos you edit. Sometimes they may not be online communities, they may even be physical communities, probably having friends, or you actually walk up to people, show them your works, and they criticize or say what they feel about it, and a little bit of changes that you can make to that. So that's how you become a better video editor. So I would always advise you pick what you like, choose your tutorials that make you feel easy. Do you understand? And you should always practice regularly. The more you try, the better you get. Then always ask for help too. Do not always stay back and keep your problems to yourself. Always ask for help. So when you're watching a tutorial, if be it adding effect or whatever it may be, always remember to watch tutorials to get better. Then I think that will be all for the Adobe Premiere Pro beginner lesson. So bye for now. See you in the advanced stage. See you in the intermediate stage.